Let me tell you about some women who've been where you are. The woman said, I don't feel relief after the abortion, but instead I felt empty. Another shared, I cry every time I see the child the age mine would have been. These are not stories, they real. They remind us to deep down abortion is not easy way out. It's just hidden pain that lingers. But there's the good news. There is another way. If you are alone, there are safe homes, counselors, also the church, the friends, me included, who will walk with you. You are still raise the child if you choose. Or if you feel you can't abortion, you adopt. It is an act of pure love. You're not giving up. You're giving life and giving family joy. You don't have to hide this. I believe in you, and you, even your parents are shocked at the first. They love you and know will God. God really loved that it is not inside, and He have not abandoned you. Because you are not alone. I know you're scared right now. I know you feel like your world is falling apart. And I wish I would hold your hand and face to face. But even though I'm far away, you two are not alone. That's why I'm sending this message, not judge you, but because I love you. And because I know who are you really kind and gentle, brave, even if you have don't feel right now. I need you to know sometimes very important lives begins at conceptions. That's not just something people say, it's what since science shows. From the moment of the sperm fertilize an egg, a few human life is formed. It is a unique DNA, a heartbeat in a few weeks, and the capacity to feel pain even before birth. The American College of Pediatricians and Countries textbook affirm that human life starts the conceptions. That tiny life inside you is your child. A new soul, a miracle. I know it feels like ending the pregnancy will end at the fair. The fear, the shame, the problem, but please hear me, the abortion does not erase the pain, it doubts to it. Many women who had abortions talk about the deep quiet, the guilt, the depression, and even the trauma they are carried for afterward. I'm begging you, don't make a decision you can't take back. Let's talk, cry, and pray. Wait, you have been strength to carry this because you are not a life giver and you will be here no matter what happens.